Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardcation.com, and I'm at the photo for wellness, and in the middle here there will be the wellness, the word wellness, which you can click on to go to the wellness page where you can learn, because you're on this is a print-on-demand page, so where you are interested, that I do the logos, slogans, and designs for print-on-demand business, which is probably the easiest business there is. Doesn't take much thought, it doesn't much to get it done. Yeah. So I mean, I recommend the Printful. I recommend Printful, so because they teach you everything you need to know. And they start you off for free. You don't have to pay anything. So and they show you what products to do and everything. And this is putting logos on t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and jackets and mugs. So that's all. This is what it's about. There's other clothing as well, other things you can do it on as well. So without further ado, let's do these slogans, because that's what I'm here to do, to teach you how to do this. And it's really, really simple. There's nothing. This is so basic. It really is. This couldn't be easier, really. And it's the only thing you got to worry about. Well, it's really simple. It really is. Okay, so without further ado, I guess, and not much fanfare, let's get on with it. Okay, so here's one I've got. This is a lovely one. I like doing this. This is good. This one. This is good. This is when it's a nice fine day, warm. Yeah, I like doing this. This one's a good one. Lie on the beach and listen. Because you're listening to the soothing sounds of the beach, of the crashing waves, and it's just lovely, especially when it's a fine day, and then you got the seagulls chirping and carrying on, and it's just lovely. It's so serene. It's just really good. I like doing that. It's nice. You know. And here's another one. So this is another one. Very good one. This one as well. I like doing this one too. You see. In actual fact, I like it so much I moved into the country. That's where I live. So, and it's nice. It really is nice. Um, it says, see, get the sounds of nature. Go for a walk in the bush. You see, that's a bit long, but and a bit long-winded. I could probably change that. Um, yeah, I probably could. I could just take this out. Yeah, I'll shorten this down a bit because it's a bit long. Uh, Yeah, I'll do that. That'll do. Yeah, get nature. Go for a walk in the bush, or get natural. That'll be better. That one there. See what I'm doing? See how this is easy this is. See, I'm just doing this on the fly in front of you. I'm just making things up as I go along, and I'm correcting, and and this is what you do. Just get natural and go for a walk in the bush. And that's not get naked, by the way. Well, no, no, that's not that. It's going into natural surroundings and listening to the birds singing and all that sort of stuff. It's in the wind in the trees and stuff like that. It's beautiful. You know, it just gives peace to your mind. You know, it really does. And that's what it's designed to do. This is how easy and simple it is. Okay, it's really really simple. See, that's all it is. It's really really simple. It's so damn basic. You know, it really is. You know, what else have we got here? Ah, there's another one, see, and this is all body. Here's another one, because this is another one too. This one's good too. This is a real good one as well, and one I like doing as well. So, you see, listen to the soothing sounds of nature. Get natural. So go lie on the beach and listen. See, and there, well, that's really good. You know, that's so soothing for the mind. Get natural. Go for a walk in the bush. So you're walking in nature, see, yeah, and you listen to the birds singing and the wind in the trees and all this sort of stuff, you know. It's nice, right? Listen to the soothing sounds of nature, right? And that's what you end up doing when you're doing this, you know, and it's relaxing and it's soothing and it's good for on your mind, you know. That's what it is, you know, see. So you know, this is, and you're helping people here by doing this. You're reminding them that if they go for a walk in the bush, it's going to help them feel not good. And if they listen to the soothing sounds of nature, it's going to help them feel good. And if they go and lie on the beach and listen, it's going to help them to feel good. You see what I mean? This is what you're doing. You're helping people. There's nothing wrong with doing that. It's very, very, very beneficial for everybody. Now, I'll show you what I mean. You know, and you put this on hoodies and jackets and all that kind of stuff, and cups and mugs and everything. You know, and I'll show you what I mean. It's just really simple, so. You know, you saw me. I did it on the fly for you, right in front of you. You know, your design here. See, that's what it is. That's a hoodie, and she's got that. And this young girl's holding the. There it is. There's where you put your design. So that's what you do. You put your design there. See, so that's what you do. You just put your design here. So you put this design there, or this one here. These logos, these designs, right? These slogans. You put them on that where she showed, right on that area, you see. So you put your design here. That's where what she said. So you know, there's something else I'll show you too, because this is really good stuff. You know, I mean, it's really good. You know, Printfuls wants you to succeed, and they'll help you to do so. And that's the thing. You know, and here's my account. See, welcome Anthony Maynard. That's me, who I am, right? And then to choose your products. Either got the best selling products, the best t-shirts, hats, mugs, and another printable. See, so these are the best selling ones. See, so, and you've got coloured mugs and you got the plain mugs. See, um, and they also provide training. Here's the training here, right? Look at it. There's also all the training. You can go through this at your leisure. It's all. And guess what? This account is free. I didn't pay for this. I never paid $1. Not $1. Okay, so and you can do the same. See, right? And there's the academy there. Printful Academy, see? Start a Printful print-on-demand business. Yeah, that's right. See, and it's a video. Um, maybe it is, maybe it isn't, maybe it isn't. Oh, yeah, you know. So, how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners to see. So, it's probably a video. So, and here we are. Here, see, you got fashion guide, Printful Academy, and product template. So they've probably got videos on this. Show you what to do. It's really good. I mean, it's just brilliant, you know. And they do this for free. You just join for free and see. So you're thinking, oh well, how do they make their money? When you make money, they make money. That's how it's done. You know, they want you to succeed. That's all it is. All right. So if you make money, they make money. That's how it works. Okay. And you don't put anything on your caps, on your t-shirts, on your mugs or anything until the customer's paid for it and has gone for your logo. See, which is right here. See. So see, anyway, so if they would say, "Oh, I lie on the beach and listen," you know, they go for that one, and they want it on a hat, or they want it on a t-shirt, or they want it on a hoodie. Well, once they paid for that, right, then they um well, then they paid for that. Then that logo's put on that item and it's shipped out to them. That's what happens. And then Printful will take their cut, and the rest of most of the money they'll give to you. That's what happens, right? So you make a profit. So, and that's how it goes. Okay. So I mean, get involved. I mean, this is a really simple business. It's not that difficult. Probably simpler than most others that I know about. Certainly simpler than the one I'm doing, that's for sure. I mean, this is a simple little business that's really great for people, and you're helping, you see, you're reminding people what, when they're feeling a bit stressed, just go, if it's a nice fine day, go and sit on the beach, just go and sit on the beach and listen, and it just soothes your mind. It's great stuff. I mean, nothing could be better. That's if you live near a beach. I mean, I know if you don't, you live out in the, further away, well, maybe you can go for a walk in the bush and listen to the birds, And this is it. Listening to the soothing sounds of nature. Listen to the soothing sounds of nature. It's really therapeutic. It's really great, for you, That's how it is, All right. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to see some more, click the notification and subscribe to the channel. Get involved. Come on, get involved. It's get a free account from Printful. And get on your way. And when you sell, don't cry over the losers. Chuck the losers out and just keep doing it. And when you get some winners, you make some money. And pretty soon you'll be saying to your boss, "I'll see you later, boss." Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video, which I will be making in another category now. So I've finished the wellness now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.